For this question here, we have to have a good understanding of function shifts. So let's just say we had a parabola centered at the origin, y equals x squared. The two main things that could happen as far as shifts go are we can add something on the outside that looks like that, or add something on the inside that looks like that. If you add on the outside, it's a vertical shift, and vertical shifts are normal. In other words, positive is up and negative is down. So adding 4 on the outside would be up 4. So our parabola would just simply go up 4 from where it was before. If you add on the inside, that's a horizontal shift. And horizontal shifts are not normal, they're backwards. So normally, positives to the right, negatives to the left. Here, positive is to the left and negative is to the right. So this would be left 4. So our parabola, instead of going up 4 like it did before, now it would go left 4. And it would hit the x-axis at -4. So what we have in the original is our f of x. This would be like saying f of x plus 4. And this would be like saying f of x plus 4. So when they say f of x plus 4 here, they're telling us to move our function left by 4. The next thing you want to do is see where the function perfectly crossed through the grid lines, because those are good places where you can imagine going left by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This one kind of goes off the grid a little, so it's less convenient. But for the first point, that would be -10, -3. And for the second, that's -9, -6. So for which of these functions do you get those new points? The new function after it shifted left by 4 looks a little something like this. And what we can do is we can plug in the points -10, -3, or -6, -9, -6 to see which of them match and therefore which of them are on g of x. So what happens when you plug in -10? Here you get 6 over -10. That simplifies to -3 over 5, and that's definitely not -3. Here you get 6 over -10 plus 4, -6, which is -1. That didn't work either. We're looking for -3. Here you have 6 over -10 plus 8, -2, and that is -3, so that one's good. And last but not least, for this one, we have 6 times -10 plus 4, -6, and -10 plus 4 here, which is -6, and you get 6. So the only one that worked out to a y value that is on our new function when you plug in x as -10 is answer choice C for this question.